Hello, welcome again. We are solving General Ability Test of year 2024 of NDA 1 exam. Question number 113. Identify the seaport in India on the basis of the given characteristics. 1. It is more than century old port on the west coast of India. 2. It is a natural harbour protected by a breakwater and also by a mole. 3. A deep draft channel of about 14-meter depth permits large vessels to enter the harbour. Select the correct seaport from the options given below. Option A, Marmugao Port. Option B, Deen Dayal Port. Option C, Cochin Port. Option D, Jawaharlal Nehru Port. So answer is option A, Marmugao Port. So here explanation of first statement is Mormugao Port is major port of on the western coast of India, located in Goa, commissioned in 1885. It is one of the India's oldest port and a natural harbour. It's, it is situated at the mouth of the Juari river and plays a crucial role in Goa's export industry, particularly handling iron ore. Okay, so this is correct. First statement is correct. And second statement is it is natural harbour protected by breakwater and also by a mole. So what is breakwater and mole? So a breakwater is a sea wall or barrier built to protect a harbour from strong waves and current. And mole in there is a mole in Marmugao port is an extension of breakwater, adding an extra layer of protection to the harbour. It runs parallel to the wharf and helps to further shield the harbour from the impact of sea. And function of these mole and breakwater. The mole and breakwater work together to create a safe and sheltered harbour for ships to dock and unload cargo. They help to calm the waves and current, making it easier for ships to approach and navigate within the port. So now second statement. Marmugao port is protected by breakwater and a mole. The breakwater is 550-meter long, while the mole built from the outer end of the breakwater extends 270 meters and runs parallel to the wharf. These structures help protect the harbour from strong waves and current. So second statement is correct, and third statement is a deep draft channel of about 14-meter depth permits large vessels to enter the harbour. So this is also correct. Marmugao Port Trust MPT, located in Goa, India, has a deep draft channel with a depth of approximately 14.4 meters. This allows for berthing of large vessels, including those with 100,000 DWT capacity, according to Adani Port. The port also has 14.10 meter inner channel. So answer is option A. All statement all statement belong to Marmugao port. Answer is option A. It is the oldest port. Sorry, it is the old century old port. It is natural harbour having breakwater and a mole and a deep draft channel of about 14 meters depth. So these statements belong to Marmugao port.